Good morning, friends. This is Tinker Time with Troy today. We got a project to do. We're gonna fix this sinkhole in our driveway. Yesterday, I took a hose and some soap and just scrubbed this hole out a little bit, and took a broom and got the excess water out and let it dry yesterday. So I think it's ready this morning. We're gonna get it ready. We're gonna put some hot top in here and we're gonna seal it around the edge. And I got my gloves out. I got some knee pads because we're gonna be down on our knees. And we're gonna get to it. I bought this yesterday at Lowe's. QPR, Quality Pavement Repair. High Performance Permanent Pavement Repair. I bought 2 bags for this hole. Hopefully it's enough and I don't have to go to Lowe's to get it.
Okay.
We're starting to center and work our way out here.